Welcome guys back. In this video tutorial we are going to need a cute candy cane ornament perfect for decorating your Christmas tree or adding a festive touch to your gifts. I have already shared tutorials for Christmas tree ornament and the peppermint candy ornament, so feel free to check those out if you would like to create a whole set of needed holidays decorations. For this tutorial you will need, I'm using leftovers, pink and white color, medium weight, and 3.5 millimeters knitting needles, double pointed, 3 pieces. You will need only 3 pieces. So if you would like to learn how to knit a candy cane ornament, you are welcome. I'm going to start with pink color, cast on 8 stitches and leave at least 10-15 centimeters tail at the end. This one. 8. Now slip 4 stitches to the second needle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are going to knit in rounds using only 2 needles. Now fold the piece so that the wrong sides uh, are touching each other, wrong sides where you see bumps. Okay, and we are going to join now and start knitting in rounds. So knit all 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Turn and repeat round number 2. Now we already, you see it is a round already. We joined the knitting. Here I pull the tail. I also place a stitch marker so that I do not forget or do not count rounds when I want to change the color. Round number 2, again knit all stitches around, knit 8. Round number 3, again we continue knitting all stitches around in pink color. Round number 4, knit all stitches, knit 8. You can change the color at this point or knit more rounds. When you want to change the color, so the only one and important thing, you start knitting, knit 4, and the working yarn has to be always the previous color. I mean the pink one has to be always placed to the left side, and you will see why now. So continue working in white color. Now take the working yarn, the pink one, and place it to the left side. It is very important, otherwise it will stick outside. So if it stays like this and we start knitting, so you see it will stick outside, and when we need to change the color, we will drag this yarn and it will leave a long loop on the right side. So we want it to be inside on the wrong side, not on the right side. So round number 2, knit all stitches in white color and always place the previous color to the left side. Round number 3, again you see to the left. Again yarn to the left, the previous color. And one more round. To the left. I will knit one more round. And knit all stitches. Okay, now when you want to change the color, do not drag the pink color too tight. Just take the pink color, do not pull it. Please do not pull it too tight, otherwise there will be lots of wrinkles. Just grab it and start knitting in the same way. Knit 8, knit all stitches around, and now the same rule apply to the previous working yarn color. So you always place the previous yarn color to the left. Hold it on the left side. So I hope it's clear. You go on alternating pink and white color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In total 9 sections. Or you decide how many you want to get and how long your candy cane will be. Okay, the candy cane is ready. I want to measure instead of counting. So it's a little bit more than 15 centimeters or a little bit more than 6 inches. Let's cut the white color. You can leave all tails inside. You don't need to weave in. Now cut the pink color as well. And here you will need a yarn needle and slip all stitches like what we are doing when we are shaping the hat's crown. Four and four more. Pull tight to close. Okay. And now pull the tail underneath the same stitches once or twice more. Okay. So I'm going to make a knot right here. And then pull the tail onto the wrong side, hiding that knot inside this way. So leave the tail inside. Now we need a piece of wire. I bend a small section on each end to cover the sharp tips. Then insert into the candy cane for shaping. And now start filling with fiber fill to add volume. Remove stitch marker. And this is basically the hardest part. So I will help myself with a hook. So pull it till the end. Okay, great. Now another piece. Oops. Inside. So I hope it's clear. Go on filling with fiber fill. Okay. Let's bend. So give it a shape. And here you remember we have a tail. A little bit more of fiber fill. Just a little bit. And now let's close this end. Pick up stitches around one loop, the second loop, and so on. Pull, too much here. underneath the same stitches and make a knot. Now pull the tail here inside. Cut. Ta-da! The candy cane is ready. Give it a shape a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. If you're looking for a written instruction or ads free pattern, you can find everything on my blog.